We are living in a world where artificial intelligence art generators are becoming increasingly popular, and it's not hard to imagine what the future of art holds. In 2023, it is predicted that AI art generators will dominate the market. But what does that mean for traditional artists? Can they still compete in this new age of AI-generated artwork? Will Redbubble be overrun with AI designs? But should this type of artwork be allowed on Redbubble, a popular online marketplace for independent artists? The debate over whether Redbubble should allow AI-created artwork to be sold on its platform rages on. On one hand, some argue that the unique aesthetic produced by AI is a valid form of expression that deserves the same recognition as traditional human-made artwork. On the other hand, many worry that allowing AI art will create unfair competition for human creators and devalue their work. AI art generators have revolutionized the way art is made and sold. By combining the power of AI with print-on-demand technology, the process of creating and purchasing art has become easier than ever. As a result, artists no longer need to worry about mass-producing prints to sell in order to make money. Instead, they can use AI-generated art as a base for their work, then customize and personalize it for individual buyers using print-on-demand technology. This offers an entirely new revenue stream for creatives who previously had limited options when it came to selling their work. The emergence of AI-driven art has opened up a world of opportunity for creatives everywhere looking to make money from their craft. Not only can they produce artwork quickly and easily, but also find eager customers worldwide who are ready to purchase their creations at the click of a button. AI art generators are quickly taking over the industry, and unfortunately this is causing a massive loss of income for artists. Advancements in AI technology have made it even easier for machines to generate artwork. Through automated processes like deep learning algorithms, AI tools can now create stunning pieces that mimic human styles of artwork. While AI art may be aesthetically pleasing, it's also replacing artistic talent and leading to a decrease in job opportunities for human artists. With organizations increasingly turning to AI-generated graphics instead of hiring freelance artists or permanent staff members, there's a huge risk of these creative professionals losing their source of income. This could have serious long-term consequences on the livelihoods of thousands of people in the industry, as well as damaging our cultural heritage and artistic expression. The art world is on the brink of a revolution. With the rise of AI art, we must ask ourselves, should print-on-demand platforms ban AI art, and is that even possible? AI art has been gaining traction over the past few years. This type of creativity has attracted a lot of attention from both enthusiasts and critics alike. Many argue that it threatens to replace traditional artists. Others praise its inventiveness and originality. Regardless of opinions surrounding AI art, one thing is certain: it's here to stay. But should platforms that offer print-on-demand services be allowed to sell works created by AI? Many believe this could damage the livelihoods of human artists. However, some are embracing this new technology as an opportunity for growth. When it comes to the world of art, AI is making its mark. On one hand, print-on-demand platforms make money with or without AI art. But what if AI art sells? Does this mean that these platforms have a moral obligation to ban AI-generated art? These are questions that many in the arts industry are asking as technology advances and more works of AI art are being created and sold in the market. Many artists worry about the impact of typical AI-generated artwork for sale on their own work. After all, can a machine really create something as meaningful and beautiful as traditional forms of artwork? Either way, this debate is sure to continue as more people question whether or not it is ethical for print-on-demand platforms to license out works made by machines when human-made pieces still exist. This development has caused an interesting trend in the industry as more and more artists start to sue these artificial intelligence-generated masterpieces for copyright infringement. The use of AI art is becoming increasingly prevalent, especially with regards to painting styles that are distinctive and unique. As these new creations become available, they can easily be mistaken for the work of a real artist, which has led some to claim legal ownership over them. While this may seem like a difficult task due to the fact that AI artwork is not created by humans, it's clear that those behind them must be held accountable if their work is used without consent from the artist who created a unique style. This debate over who owns what has sparked plenty of conversations about intellectual property rights within the artistic community and beyond. AI art has been a hot topic in the art community ever since it began to emerge. Not only is AI pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of art, but it's also disrupting how artists create and share their work. The traditional methods of painting and sculpting are being blended with modern AI technologies to produce truly unique pieces that challenge our understanding of what artwork can and should be. Now, AI-created artworks are appearing in public and commercial settings. However, there is currently no way for users to tell which designs on Redbubble were created by AI. Despite this, it can be difficult for users who wish to actively seek out and purchase designs made by AI algorithms or by traditional artists to figure out how the art was created. This lack of transparency could lead to confusion amongst customers and could further obscure the value associated with these works. Despite all this innovation, many artists worry that their skills will become obsolete as AI continues to advance, but this fear shouldn't stop them from creating. Instead, artists must embrace technology and find ways to stand out from all the AI-generated art. To do this, they need to think about how they can use tech-infused tools and techniques in ways that no algorithm could ever match, either by working on more experimental projects or simply focusing on honing their craftsmanship. In conclusion, AI art is a captivating development, but it should not be seen as a cause for alarm. Human creativity is still essential in the artistic landscape, and artists who embrace their own ingenuity can still find success. With the right combination of innovation and audience building, skilled artists can remain relevant in an ever-evolving world. AI art may challenge us, but it also presents exciting possibilities to explore. We must seize this opportunity to expand our creative horizons and create something truly unique. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Until the next one, have a great day.